Hey there, folks. I'm Joe Crawford of artlang.com. Pretty much every day I go to this site, web CSSBattle.dev, and do the daily target and record myself. It wasn't loading, but let's try again. Refresh. There we go. Ooh, we got a big H. Great big H. Okay. How do we make this shape? What can we do to make that shape? I find myself wanting to do the nested template and see how that goes. All right. So nested template is the HTML and the HTML and body elements. So here's where we start with that. We have this light green on the HTML element and then the brown color. So I'm going to use margins to narrow down the body to 7, 8, 92. Okay, and then I believe what I want is what border inline 30, 20, 50 pixels solid, and then that color, which gets me that. Looks like 60 pixels, so 60, great. And then what I want is that repeating, I believe what I want is a background. That is so let's do the crossbar first. So a linear gradient. Also that color, maybe 30 pixels, and transparent. And then we push it down to 0, 70 pixels, 80. And it's 40 pixels, great. And then the last step is a conic. Which is in the upper corner. And I'm going to use some false colors here so I can see what I'm doing. We'll do at 40 pixels, 40 pixels. And then my repeat. The first color we'll do red, 75%. And then, no, we'll do transparent. 25%. And then red 0. And then a width, how about 30 pixels, 30 pixels, no repeat. And we not a trailing column. Okay, so that's what I've got right now. So too far over, should be 30 over, no, 20 over, and 50 down. Actually, I want to double it, I think. And then this width needs to be a little bit more, 100. There we go. Starting to look like something. Here we go, 50, 60. So we're 20 pixels over. We need 40 pixels down. And then we let that repeat. Perfect. That's what I was trying to do. I'm not doing it particularly well, or efficiently rather, but that is what I wanted to make that shape. So it's a 60 by 160 pixels repeating shape in that conic gradient. Okay. And we got 100% from the back end. So we minify and we unit replace and we resubmit. And of course, there are other little bits and pieces we can do to tune that solution to improve it. But lots of ways to do this one because it's all straight angles, whatever way you can make it work. That's great. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Go make a webpage. Web pages are great. All right. Bye.